Hello everybody, this is Roger with Roger's Reviews. I just bought the Mavic Mini. Um, this is like an excellent little drone. It's made by DJI Mavic Mini. I bought the Fly More combo and I flew it yesterday and the day before, and I didn't even realize it, but there's a DJI Care refresh. And what it is, it's like the insurance. If you break it or crash it or it goes in the water, what have you, for 10% of the drone, they'll replace it. All you have to do is you have to register it. But I didn't know. Hopefully I made it. You have to register it within 72 hours of activating it. So I went ahead, hurried up. I was looking for the serial number, and the serial number is actually inside here, but I couldn't read it. My eyes are so bad. So I got a pair of glasses. I looked in there. I still couldn't read it. And then I took a phone and took a picture of it and blew it up, and I could finally read it with my reading glasses. But if you have the box has a serial number right here. So I've watched all these videos. Nobody even mentions it. So the first thing you need to do is register your drone, and if you want to, sign up for the refresh, because I mean, you just paid 400, 500 bucks for this thing, and I think it's like 39 bucks. They'll replace it. All you have to do is send it back in, and even if you even if it's your fault, like say it goes in the water or you step on it or some accident happens, they'll replace almost anything as long as they get it back and you register with the right serial number. Because once they make these things, I mean, they probably don't have much into it because it's mostly the research and development of the design, but the actual drone itself is probably pretty cheap for them to replace or fix. So I think it's an excellent idea. It's a pretty good chance that this thing will get broken, or it's so lightweight. But another thing is there's you can put something on here, like if it goes in the water, it'll shoot up and you can retrieve it up to like 50 or 100 feet. So that's another thing I'm going to get for it. But register your drone and get the insurance on it. I think it would be a great idea, because if you don't, probably something's going to happen to it. So just that $40 a peace of mind. So anyway, this is Roger with Roger's Reviews, and we're the DJI Care Refresh. Look it up. As soon as you get this thing, look it up. Don't activate it until you look it up and you put that you buy that $39 or 10% down deal, because once you activate it, you only have 72 hours. And I don't know if I made it or not. Hopefully I did, but that's probably the most important thing when you get started, to register it. And once you activate it, within 72 hours, buy that $40 insurance program. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, crush the like button and subscribe.